Hello and welcome to Speak Easy English UK. This is your complete English speaking course for 2025 from absolute beginner to advanced level. Whether you want to speak English for travel, study, work, or daily life in the UK, this video is for you. Let's start your English journey together. 1. Why learn English in 2025? English is the global language for business, travel, and education. In 2025, English is more important than ever for jobs, immigration, and social life. Speaking English fluently opens doors to new opportunities. To the English alphabet and sounds. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Practice the sounds A, B, C, D, Z. Focus on British pronunciation. A as in apple, E as in egg, I as in ink, O as in orange, U as in umbrella. 3 basic greetings and introductions. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? My name is. Your name. What's your name? Nice to meet you. 4 numbers, days, and months. Numbers 1 to 100. Practice counting. Days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Months: January to December. 5 simple sentences for daily use. Where are you from? I am from USA/India/UK. What do you do? I am a student/teacher/engineer. Can you help me, please? Thank you. You're welcome. Section 2, Daily Conversation Practice. First, common questions and answers. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. 2. At the shop, restaurant. Can I have a cup of tea, please? How much is this? I'd like to order fish and chips. Do you accept card or cash? 3. Asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the train station? Is it far from here? 4. Making friends. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading books and watching movies. Do you want to hang out this weekend?